I'm Don Gabriel Repe and I will talk about social inequality. What do sociologists mean by the term social inequality? Social inequality defines as unequally distributed opportunities between individuals or groups. This societal I picked is very rampant nowadays, especially the unequal treatment between male and female. We all know that male and female have their own strength and skills, but in our society, it is really a big deal when it comes to job opportunities because sometimes companies and industries have their standards which able for the both gender to not qualify on that job. Social inequality does not only include about gender but also to their age, social class, ethnicity, and etc. Age is a very intriguing topic if you're an old man or woman. The possibility of getting a job or proper treatment on such things is very low and it is because of the things they aren't capable of. And when it comes on social class, mostly the upper class will have the attention and equal treatment, unlike the lower class, and even the ethnicity and race can be a great source of example of social inequality, wherein if you have dark skin complexion, sometimes people might tease you and more probably discriminate you for who you are. Social inequality seems to be just a common societal issues here on our country, but if we look and understand it deeper, we can be enlightened on how it affects an individual or a group. How is society stratified by social class? There are three social class in our society, namely upper class, middle class, underclass, or we can call them the lower class. Those three classes have their own distinction to each other. Upper class are those people who achieve to have their own houses, cars, and etc. and can afford to buy whatever they want. While on the middle class, they can buy whatever they want but still have limitations when buying or getting something. And lastly, the lower class, where in this class things were very hard to get and people are lack of what they need. Social inequality in here is that sometimes justice can be bought by money. Richer is more powerful than poor. We may often see that poors have unequal treatment and sometimes discriminate because of their social status in life. How is society stratified by gender? Gender is one of the best example of social inequality wherein both males and females are experiencing discrimination to the public eye. When it comes to job opportunities, we may have observed that most men's are in the higher position than women's. It is because of the standards and at the same time, male dominant on the economy industry. That's why females are set aside always. In terms of gender, we also have the LGBT community where they discriminate for who they are, being a lesbian, gay, bisexual, transsexual. Many of us don't accept them as a part of our society so that they can't accept themselves sometimes and chooses just to shut their mouth. Instances like this should be avoided because I believe that all of us have the opportunity to seek for something that we want on our life. Social inequality actually gives bad effect to the people who are experiencing, and it's necessary to always control yourself on throwing words and actions at them so that they won't be hurt by that. And always be mindful that we're not perfect and we make mistakes. No matter what social class we are in, how old are we, what gender, as long as we're not degrading anyone's dignity, we're free to live to the fullest and show some respect with other people on our surroundings. Thank you so much for listening and I hope you gain learnings from this discussion.